Hi class, how are you today? That's great. The learning target for today is to solve for missing measures using inscribed angles. For 3, the scale is you can solve for missing measures using inscribed angles. 2, you can solve for an inscribed angle or a central angle when given 1. So you can solve for an inscribed angle if you're given the central angle, or vice versa. 1, you can identify inscribed angles, and 0, you cannot identify inscribed angles. Let's get started. So, first with one more quick vocab, an intercepted arc is an arc whose endpoints both lie on the same angle. So, if you look at arc AB here, it is intercepted by angle ACB. So that means AB is the intercepted arc of angle ACB. And in this picture, it actually also shows that AB is the intercepted arc of ADB. So in this picture, notice that ACB and ADB have the same intercepted arc. So now for a quick theorem, the measure of an inscribed angle is half the measure of its intercepted arc. So no matter what AB is, arc AB, let's call it X, angle ADB is going to be 1/2 that, so 1/2 X. And remember from central angles that ACB is also equal to its intercepted arc, so that is also X. So the inscribed angle is half of both the intercepted arc or the central angle that intercepts the same arc. So all of that will be very important just to know the relationship between intercepted arcs and inscribed angles, their intercepted arcs, and the central angles that intercept the same arcs. So one more good thing to know is that triangles made by a central angle and a chord are always isosceles. So we have a central angle here, angle ACB, and it mates triangle ACB with this chord, with line segment AB. So this triangle is always going to be isosceles no matter what. And the reason is because it's made by 2 radii, one radius and another radius. Radii in a circle are always congruent. So we can say that this side will always be congruent to this side. And for this lesson, what's going to make this very important is that, remember, their opposite angles are also congruent. So this angle is going to be equal to this angle. And that will be very important in this lesson. Alright, now time for the sponge. So in number 1, in circle with center C, the measure of angle ACB is 58 degrees. Find the measure of angle ADB. And in number 2, in circle with center O, the measure of angle MLN is 52 degrees. Find the measure of ONM. That's it for the lesson. Once again, please make sure to take notes on everything, attempt the sponge, rank yourself, take a picture of everything, and submit it all to eBackpack, and have a good night.